Do you want to take full control of your finances without complications? Imagine having all your income and expense information organized in one place. Our income and expense tracking Excel template is the perfect tool to record every income and expense daily, with an automatic system that categorizes and summarizes your transactions month by month. This will allow you to identify unnecessary expenses and save more. Easily visualize your balance and accumulated savings. Make smart financial decisions and confidently plan your budget. You don't need to be an Excel expert. Just enter your data and let the template do the work for you. Turn your finances into a success story. Our template includes the following modules. 1. Settings. In this section, you can select your preferred currency: dollars, pounds, euros, Argentine peso, Chilean peso, Colombian peso, bolívares, quetzales, and Peruvian sol. Set the starting year and register your income and expense categories. You can also create income and expense sub-accounts and register your bank accounts, which will simplify management in the following modules. 2. Records. This module is divided into 3 sub-modules, where you can enter all the details of your income and expense transactions, as well as record transfers between accounts. Section 2.1 is designed for recording income transactions. You can enter details such as account type, sub-account type, transaction description, payment method used, originating bank account, transaction amount, estimated income date, and actual income date. Based on the dates, the transaction status is automatically calculated. You can also add notes or observations. Section 2.2 uses the same methodology for recording expense or outgoing transactions. Section 2.3 is designed for logging all possible transfers between accounts. Record dates, source and destination accounts, amounts, and observations. 3. Cash flow. This module allows you to review your cash flow on a daily, monthly, and general basis. It includes filters to analyze information by month, year, and bank account. You can also view the balance of your accounts receivable and accounts payable. Section 3.1 lets you consult and analyze your cash flow by day, month, year, and account, offering a detailed analysis of your income and expenses. Section 3.2 allows you to view your monthly and yearly cash flow, helping you analyze your profit or loss for the period. You can also check your accounts receivable and payable balances. 4. Reports. Get a complete and detailed report of your profit and loss statement with specific analysis for each registered account. Includes yearly and bank account filters, along with accurate reports on your receivables and payables, making financial management and strategic decision-making easier. 5. Dashboard. Based on the recorded data, the template generates a visual dashboard where you can easily analyze your income, expenses, profitability, yearly trends, and comparisons between income and expenses. You can also evaluate the performance of each income and expense account, identifying areas for improvement and growth opportunities. Our Excel template lets you easily analyze your income, expenses, profitability, and yearly progress, while comparing your results to find improvement areas and growth opportunities. Don't wait any longer to take full control of your finances. Get our template now and start managing your income and expenses in a simple, efficient, professional, and secure way.
Template available at Solis Enterprises. Visit our websites excelprojectsaj.com and en.solisenterprisesstore.com.